All right, guys, here with my nephews, Katani, Tony, and we're gonna be doing the track here. I'm gonna show them how to do it. We're gonna be tilling it up, raking it out, maybe moving some jumps around. These are the tools we'll be using. We got a roller. It's like a concrete and metal roller. That thing's pretty good for packing down after we till it with a tiller here. If you don't have a tiller, that's probably going to be kind of hard to do stuff like this, but you don't need a tiller this big. You could actually use smaller ones or rent a smaller one, which is kind of cool. A couple shovels, some rakes, and yeah, that's all you need really. And we'll get some clips of us working this out. Right now you can see in the state that it's in now. The grass kind of grows in. It finally dried out. It's still pretty moist, but once you actually till it, it churns up that dirt. And once that dirt's churned up and it's in the sun, it kind of dries out. So we'll do these wet spots first. Yeah. That way it has some time to dry out. And then we could start shaping and moving some dirt around.
This is a before and after of what we're going to be tilling next.
All right, so any clumps of grass that end up from the inside of the track like this, we're just taking and kind of putting in the bare spots. And when this grows in later on during summer, it looks nice and full and then really makes the track stand out a little bit more. You can see the lines of the track better. So we're just gonna keep doing that. And then once it's all churned up, might leave it for a little bit to dry. Not sure if it's gonna dry out or might have to wait a little while.
Stone roller.
The Flintstone roller, yeah. Yep. Which is pretty hard when you got to go uphill with it.
I can
Do it.
barely push it.
But oh my God, it shapes the track. It shapes the jumps really well. Packs them down. You don't have to jump on the ground. You just try to roll it up the hill or up the face of the jump and packs it in.
Okay, guys, this is the after of what it looks like after finishing tilling. Looks pretty nice. So yeah, we were just adding a couple of pieces of grass, putting it right there. So if you find any like big grass pieces, just put it on the side so that you can use it so it grows and it looks nice.
All right, so might have to be a be continued video because this track's a little bit more moist than I thought. Might have to dry out for another day. That way we could actually rake it without having wet clumps. So I'm gonna have to come out here probably tomorrow and rake it and then roll it, and we'll see how it comes out. All right, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
All right, peace.